Vitamin D. That's what you get from the sun directly to you for free. And how do phone manufacturers respond to this? Taking the D in vitamin D and making it part of a phone's design. Yep, because seriously, how important is the smartphone design when it comes to you selecting your next device? Very. And Vivo have seemingly added extra effort, not only when it comes to how your phone looks, but also how it performs, and brought upgrades to its cameras as well. Their latest mid-range smartphone, the Vivo V25 5G, which just launched, carries the same color-changing design that we saw in the V23, but with a difference. Let's see how that looks like. From TechWiz, I'm Martin Givenchy with the Vivo V25 5G First Impressions Review. Let's take it and go. In the grey box is the phone, wired earphones, a case, a 44-watt fast charger, a Type-C to headphone jack dongle, a quick start guide, a warranty card, and SIM ejector tool. This dongle is still a strange and rare thing to see included, and a welcome one as well. We got our unit in aquamarine blue, and it is spectacular to the eyes as it features a special ripple pattern that gives off beautiful blue hues. The V25 series also comes in sunrise gold and diamond black. The blue one stands out as the color switches from ocean blue to bluish green when outdoors under direct sunlight or UV light. It features a matte finish that is fingerprint free and has a luxurious textured feel to the touch. This is a solid build with slender flat edges that make it stand on its own, and it has an aluminum aviation frame and is slim too at 7.79mm, making it easy to use. The top left features the camera module rocking 3 lenses and an LED flashlight. At the bottom edge is the speaker grille, Type-C port, microphone, and SIM card slot. On the right spine are the power button and volume rocker buttons. On the top is the secondary microphone. Coming to the front is the 6.44-inch AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, slightly disrupted by the U-shaped notch. We have face unlock and fast under-display fingerprint scanner for biometrics, and the display offers deep black and saturated colors, perfect for multimedia consumption. And at 1300 nits of brightness, you can comfortably use it outdoors. Vivo V25 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 900 5G processor, paired with 8GB of RAM, expandable by another 8GB of virtual RAM, and 256GB of onboard storage. Vivo V25 5G runs Android 12 and FunTouch OS 12 that ships with a new UI design and a refreshing look and feel that offers a clean visual experience, plus small widgets that fit more on the home screen. There is a nano music player that sits on the home screen and offers quick access to your local or Spotify playlist. Another handy feature is the Game Boost mode, which offers an immersive gaming experience. It automatically manages CPU, GPU, RAM, and network performance, while also optimizing the touch response. All these software and hardware features ensure the phone runs smoothly, even on demanding tasks, with effortless switching between apps, browsing the web, streaming music, binge-watching movies, scrolling social media, and gaming, and the phone showed no lag at all. The Vivo V25 5G is, of course, a 5G smartphone, and we tested it using Safaricom's 5G network at Two Rivers Mall, and we were averaging around 154 megabytes per second in terms of speed. That's dope. The Vivo V25 5G comes with 4 cameras, 3 at the back and 1 at the front. We have a 64 megapixels primary sensor with OIS coupled with an 8 megapixels ultra-wide and 2 megapixels macro sensor. For the front, we spot a 50 megapixel selfie camera with EIS housed in the notch. Apart from the upgrades in the optics, we also have a few photography features to play around with, such as the vlog mode with pre-made templates, dual view mode, double exposure, pro mode, high resolution, and more. The vlog movie feature lets you use vlog templates with themes such as night, outing, food, child, city, travel, and more to create short videos fit for social media sharing. The phone performs exceptionally well in bright light. Shots come out with pleasing colors, details, and dynamic range, and handles background exposure well. When the sun sets, the Vivo V25 5G continues with its impressive performance, especially with the night mode. Colors and details are retained despite the low light scenarios, and if you take lots of food pictures and videos, you'll love this camera. The videos are bright too, even in low light. Overall, you have a dependable camera smartphone at hand with the Vivo V25 5G. Vivo V25 comes with a 4500 mAh battery that supports 44-watt fast charging. It held up a day and a half on normal use and averaging 7 hours of screen on time with 27% remaining before bedtime. If you run out of power, you can charge it up in about an hour. So, not only are you getting a good-looking phone with an exquisite design with the Vivo V25, you're also getting a good stack of cameras, respectable battery life, a nice screen, and most importantly, undisputed performance. The Vivo V25 5G goes for $56,999 and is available at Vivo's retail stores countrywide and e-partner commerce sites. Till the next one, we done tech it, now you go.